Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at something truly special, something that takes an already incredible touring motorcycle and transforms it into an entirely new riding experience. We're talking about the Motor Trike conversion kit for the Kawasaki Vulcan 1700 family. That's right, if you own a Vulcan 1700 Voyager, Vaquero, or Nomad from 2009 to current models, you can convert your beloved two-wheeler into a stunning, stable, and incredibly comfortable three-wheeled touring machine. Whether you're looking for added stability, you have physical limitations that make balancing a heavy touring bike challenging, or you simply want to experience the freedom of the open road in a whole new way, this trike conversion might be exactly what you've been searching for. So let's dive deep into what Motor Trike offers with this conversion kit, break down all the features, and help you decide if this is the right upgrade for your riding lifestyle. Let's get into it. First things first, let's talk about compatibility and what you're getting into. This Motor Trike conversion kit is specifically engineered for the Kawasaki Vulcan 1700 family of motorcycles. And when I say family, I mean the Voyager, the Vaquero, and the Nomad. Now, there's one important note here. This kit does not fit the Vulcan 1700 Classic. So if you own a Classic, unfortunately, this particular kit isn't for you. But for everyone else with a Voyager, Vaquero, or Nomad from model year 2009 all the way to current production, you're in luck. The kit is priced at $9,495. Now, that might sound like a significant investment, and honestly, it is. But when you consider the engineering, the quality of components, and the transformation it provides, this is actually competitive pricing for a premium trike conversion. Motor Trike is a well-established name in the industry, with a reputation for quality craftsmanship. They're not cutting corners here. Every component is designed with precision and purpose. Now let's talk about the star of the show, the independent rear suspension system. This is where Motor Trike really sets themselves apart from the competition. What exactly is independent rear suspension? Simply put, it allows each rear wheel to move independently of the other. So when your left wheel hits a pothole, it doesn't affect the right wheel, and vice versa. This might sound simple, but the engineering behind it is incredibly sophisticated. Why does this matter? Well, on a traditional solid axle trike, when one wheel encounters a bump or imperfection in the road, that impact transfers across the entire rear end. This creates a jarring, uncomfortable ride, especially on long tours. With independent suspension, each wheel absorbs its own impacts, creating a dramatically smoother riding experience. But Motor Trike didn't stop there. They designed, and actually patented, an air ride suspension system that offers over 4 inches of wheel travel. 4 inches! That's a massive amount of suspension travel that can soak up virtually anything the road throws at you. They also deliberately lowered the spring rate. Now, what does that mean in practical terms? It means the suspension has more give, more compliance, when you're traveling over bumpy terrain, carrying a passenger, hauling heavy cargo in the trunk, or even pulling a trailer. The ride quality is optimized for real-world touring conditions. The system also features rubber bushings on ALL suspension components, as well as on the differentials. These rubber bushings are specifically designed to reduce noise, vibration, and harshness, what engineers call NVH. This attention to detail means you're not going to feel every little vibration traveling up through the chassis. It's a refined, comfortable experience. Let's talk about stability and safety. Because when you're riding a trike, especially at highway speeds, you want confidence in every corner. Motor Trike engineered this conversion with a lowered roll center height. What does that mean for you? It ensures that both rear tires maintain contact with the road surface at all times. This is critical for stability. You never want a wheel lifting off the ground during aggressive maneuvers or when encountering uneven road surfaces. Additionally, they've incorporated a calibrated sway bar into the design. This sway bar is specifically tuned to ensure comfortable and secure cornering. You get the stability you need without sacrificing ride comfort. It's a careful balance that Motor Trike has clearly spent a lot of time perfecting. The integrated disc brake system provides confident stopping power. The braking system is designed to work seamlessly with the trike configuration, giving you predictable, powerful braking when you need it most. Whether you're coming to a gentle stop at a traffic light or need to brake hard in an emergency situation, the system delivers. All of these engineering decisions, the independent suspension, the lowered roll center, the calibrated sway bar, the integrated brakes, they all work together to create what Motor Trike describes as an effortless ride. And based on rider testimonials, that description is pretty accurate. Let's talk about those wheels, because they deserve special mention. Motor Trike equips this conversion with torque thrust aluminum wheels. If that name sounds familiar, it's because torque thrust is an iconic wheel design that's been popular in the automotive world for decades. These aren't cheap steel wheels painted to look nice. These are genuine aluminum wheels that are lightweight, strong, and absolutely stunning to look at. The reduced weight of aluminum wheels compared to steel also benefits your suspension performance and handling. It's what we call unsprung weight. The less of it you have, the better your suspension can do its job. Now let's talk warranty, because this is where Motor Trike really stands behind their product. You get a 3-year, 60,000-mile warranty. Read that again. 3 years or 60,000 miles, whichever comes first. That's not a 90-day warranty. That's not a 1-year warranty. That's a comprehensive 3-year warranty that tells you Motor Trike is confident in their engineering and manufacturing quality. For touring riders who put serious miles on their machines, this warranty coverage provides genuine peace of mind. So let's wrap this all up and talk about the big picture. At $9,495, the Motor Trike conversion for the Kawasaki Vulcan 1700 series is a significant investment. But let's consider what you're getting. You're getting a patented independent rear suspension with over 4 inches of air-adjustable travel. You're getting premium torque thrust aluminum wheels. You're getting an integrated disc brake system. You're getting an onboard air compressor with digital controls. You're getting thoughtful convenience features throughout. And you're getting a 3-year, 60,000-mile warranty backing it all up. More importantly, you're getting the freedom to continue riding. For many riders, a trike conversion isn't just about preference. It's about being able to keep doing what they love despite physical challenges. This conversion allows Vulcan 1700 owners to maintain their passion for touring without worrying about balancing a heavy motorcycle. The bottom line? Motor Trike has engineered a premium conversion that transforms your Vulcan 1700 into a stable, comfortable, and confidence-inspiring touring trike. If you're in the market for a trike conversion, this one deserves serious consideration. Until next time, ride safe, and I'll see you on the road.